Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bernice and you're welcome back to my kitchen. So guys, today I will be preparing my assorted seafood coconut rice. So let's get started. So in my pot I have my seafood marinara. That's what it's called. So it's just a variety of seafood, fish, mussels, prawns, calamari and all that. Okay, so you can add whatever seafood you want for this recipe. And here I have my coconut milk. For this recipe I'm using canned coconut milk, so I'm just going to add some hot water to this and give it a very good mix so that it will just dissolve. So we are in, at the moment we are in winter, so everything just gets, cuddled up. So I just mixed a bit of hot water to the milk to dissolve it. So in my clean pot I'm going to go ahead to add some cooking oil and chopped onions. I'm going to fry this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then go ahead to add my freshly chopped peppers. So guys, if you've watched up to this extent, you're welcome back to this channel. I'm sorry I've been away for a very long time due to life and all that, but guys, I'm back and hopefully I just hope I keep on posting. Okay guys, thank you to all my returning subscribers, to the new subscribers. I really appreciate it guys. Like, I've been off but still a lot of people have been subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. For those that have been dropping comments, I really appreciate it, and I try as much as possible to respond to your messages. Okay, so guys, these onions have been frying with the pepper. I've been frying for like a minute, and I'll go back ahead. I will have to add in the mixed coconut milk, my grounded crayfish, my pre-cooked dried fish. So here I'm using pre-cooked dried fish, seasoning and thyme, and I'll go ahead and give this a good mix, bring this to a boil, and I'll add in my washed rice. This recipe is very quick and easy to prepare. You don't need much ingredients, just these few ingredients. In short, coconut rice doesn't even need much ingredients. If not, you're going to alter the taste of the coconut in the rice. So it's just I've just gone ahead now to add in my washed basmati rice. I used basmati rice for this recipe, but you can go ahead and use whatever kind of rice that is available to you, and allow this to cook. So off camera I already boiled the seafood marinara just for like 5 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add it once the rice is soft. So I just poured in the seafood mix over the rice, and I will gently give this a good stir, so to combine everything, because I seasoned this seafood before I cooked it. So I'm just going to carefully mix the rice and the seafood together so that everything can marry together. It can come together, and this food tastes so good. Like, it's so delicious. It's just quick and very easy to prepare. Everyone that ate this food, they loved it so much. Guys, if it's not good, I'm not going to bring it to you, but this is really good. And if you've watched up to this extent, please kindly like this video, share to your friends and to your to anyone around you, and kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So till I see you in my next video, I love you all. Mwah. Bye.